Your Mac terminal works, but it could be so much better. Let's transform it with Zsh, Oh My Zsh, the perfect theme, and plugins that actually save you time. From boring to beautiful in 5 minutes. Good news, macOS already ships with Zsh as the default shell. Let's verify that. Sees is ready. But the default config is pretty minimal. That's where ohmyzsh comes in. This one command installs ohmyzsh, a framework that makes Zsh configuration easy and powerful. Ohmyzsh is installed, and your terminal already looks different. Let's make it even better. ohmyzsh comes with over 150 built-in themes. Let's pick one that shows useful information. The zsh-syntax-highlighting setting in your zstruct file controls the look. Let's try Agnoster, a popular choice. Agnoster needs a powerline font to display special characters. Let's install one. Now reload the config and you'll see the new theme. Git branch, directory path, all in the prompt. If you want something even fancier, Power Level 10K is the most popular theme. Let's install it. Power Level 10K has an interactive configuration wizard that lets you customize every detail. Plugins are where Oh My Zsh really shines. Let's add the three most essential ones. zsh-autosuggestions shows command completions as you type based on your history. It's like having a co-pilot for your terminal. zsh-syntax-highlighting colors your commands as you type. Green means the command exists, red means it doesn't. Now add all three plugins to your zsh file. Git is included by default. We're adding the two new ones. Reload and try it out. Watch the auto suggestions appear as you type. Press the right arrow to accept. Let's add some time-saving aliases. These shortcuts can save you hundreds of keystrokes every day. Oh My Zsh already includes a ton of Git aliases. GS for Git status, Georgia for Git add, GCM for Git commit. Let's add some custom aliases. These are the ones I use every day as a developer. You can also create functions for more complex shortcuts. This one creates a directory and enters it. Reload and test. Your terminal is now a productivity machine. Let's fine-tune Zsh with some advanced settings that make daily use smoother. History settings are crucial. We'll save 10,000 commands and share history across all terminal sessions. Tab completion in Zsh is incredibly powerful. Case-insensitive matching and menu selection make it fast. Directory navigation shortcuts. Just type a directory name without cd and Zsh will take you there. All configured. Your zsh setup is now professional grade. Let's see everything in action. Our terminal is now beautiful, fast, and smart. Auto suggestions, syntax highlighting, get status in the prompt. Everything working together. Try some aliases. Get workflow in half the keystrokes. Directory jumping without CD. From boring default terminal to a professional development environment, all in 5 minutes.